好，今日我哋講 engines，咁上堂講嘅 engines，今日講 engines 第2課 ，OK？engines 好，呢度幾多個氣缸啊？幾多個 pistons？
3、4、5、6、10。
12，跟住左邊6個，右邊6個，呢個 Lamborghini，左6右6，12氣缸，12個氣缸，跑車12個氣缸，呢度幾多個氣缸？10個，左5右5，10個氣缸，12減到10咯喎，呢度幾多個氣缸？8個氣缸，左4右4，4、2、1、18， 4、2、4、2、8，呢度幾個氣缸？6氣缸，呢個直6得6個氣缸，由12個氣缸減到10個，減到8個，減到6個，6氣缸，呢度幾多個？4氣缸直4，我架車就係直4嚟嘅，氣缸越嚟越少，呢度幾多個？3個。而家通常新車細 CC 都行3個氣缸，啲氣缸越嚟越多定越嚟越少？所以嘅越嚟越多 ，Are you sure 啊？越嚟越少 ，Yeah。We have fewer pistons, and the engine size is getting smaller and smaller because of various reasons. Number 1, the fuel consumption. Number 2, pollution, air pollution. 好啦，呢個就係個 turbo。嗱，呢度無論行幾多個氣缸，佢點樣令到架車可以細嘅少啲嘅 pistons， 但係同時可以行得快啲咧？就係通過一個叫 turbo 嘅嘢。turbo 嘅嘢其實係點做咧？就係本身呢啲 pistons 喐完之後，索完啲 oxygen 入去 ，burn 完之後 ，burn 完啲 gasoline 之後，壓縮完之後去排走 oxygen 氧氣，排走啲唔要嘅 gas 叫 exhaust gas，right？ 佢排走啲 exhaust gas 正常喺 exhaust 走嘅，但係佢就回收翻啲 exhaust gas， 跟住再泵啲新嘅氧氣入去加壓 compress 佢，同時間咧。
好。跟住走，跟住早咗。
本身嗰啲 exhaust 已經係好熱㗎啦，但係你再加熱佢咧，所以咧個 temperature 就會高。That's how the airflow. That's how the airflow goes. Yeah. So that's the air and water direction. The direction of air, the air and the water. 好啦，咁佢剔咗啲 exhaust 之後，再索一啲新嘅 oxygen 入去，再咪叫 burn 佢啦，我哋叫 utilize 佢啦，佢再推動架車。And in the meantime 咧，個 temperature 會增加 ，temperature 增加咧，個 turbo 好易壞，所以佢要有個新嘅製冷系統。壞啫 ，of order。好啦，佢通過啲冷卻水咧、冷水咧，令到佢 cool down，令到個系統冇咁容易壞。所以 turbo charge 個問題喺邊咧？就係令到個 temperature 個 working temperature 增加咗，所以 turbo 都成日 increase。好啦，呢個就係個 turbo 嘅點 work， 你會留意到咧個 turbine intake 啦，OK piston 呢度啦，啲 exhaust 出咗嚟，啲 exhaust 係啲 exhaust 本身個 piston 喐完之後咧，正常啲 exhaust 要走，但係佢呢個 turbine 咧，佢呢個 turbo 咧會收集翻嗰啲 exhaust 咧，再去令到裏邊再 compress 嗰啲 air， 再 short 啲 oxygen 落去。係啦，跟住再 cool down 佢，再翻個引擎度，令到成件事咧，佢慳油啲，同時間嗰啲 exhaust 嗰啲油慳翻 exhaust gas 慳翻呢個 cool down system。Because you have 呢個 triangle is showing you the direction where the water and gas goes。係啊，呢啲咪就係嗰啲空氣行嘅方向咯。好啦，其實車有引擎啦 ，in the meantime 其實飛機都有引擎，我哋啲叫 turbines，right？ 啲 turbines 好大嚿嘅，有啲飛機2個，有啲飛機4個，有啲飛機1個。Different types of planes carry different numbers of engines。Okay? Turbines。呢就係唔同 turbines 嘅 model。其實大部分嘅 turbines 都由幾間公司做嘅。Number 1 General Electric 叫 Rolls-Royce Electric Rolls-Royce。BMW Rolls-Royce Engine Alliance Electric BMW 唔會做嘅 General Electric 嗱，你要識 General Electric， 你要識 Rolls-Royce 有做啲貴嘅車 其實 Rolls-Royce 唔係做車叻，而係做呢個 turbine 數叻。General Electric， 我遲啲話俾你啦，呢個就係個 turbine。做呢個我哋叫 blaze 咧，係需要好大嘅 power 同埋好多嘅 technology。嗱，佢個 turbine 係點 work 咧？就索咗啲 oxygen， 同時，所以你聽到好多 air， 你 use air， 佢索咗啲 oxygen 入去，然之後就 compressor， 有 high pressure 啦、low pressure 啦，然之後再 high pressure、low pressure 有啲 compressor， 係。That's the airflow. That's the airflow where you create power. OK， 好啦。咁電單車 motorcycle 都係 engine 嘅 engine 就喺度。咁呢個 Suzuki engines 係啦。咁呢個係美國牌子。OK， 好啦，今日咁講到 engines， 我講過啦，飛機嘅 engines 啦，飛機嘅 engines，vehicles 嘅 engines，motorcycle engines， 冇錯啦。嗱，今日要介紹 Honda。Honda 係個日本品牌 ，Japanese brand。This is the co-founder many years ago。係啦 ，Honda Honda H 嚟嘅。佢本身 Honda 其實做咩叻咧？就係做一架單車 ，motorbike，not motorbike，bicycle， 佢加咗個 engine 落去，令到你唔使成日去 step on the pedals， 跟住通過呢個 engine 去推動架車係快啲。咁啊講一啲歷史咯。本身啊 Honda 呢個 co-founder 咧。你踩 pedals 要嘥力，有陣時佢而家裝咗 engines 咪唔使踩。嗱，佢點解會識整 engines 落個 bicycles？ 因為佢老豆係整單車嘅。His father could fix bicycles, but he was not interested in studies. He didn't like to study. So at the age of 15, he went to Tokyo in Japan. English. So at the age of 15, he didn't study and went to Tokyo, where he got his first job. His first job was to babysit kids for a boss running a car repair shop. He started learning mechanics under his boss due to his effort, and at the age of 17, very young age, he built the first racing car for motorsports using the engines from US and Europe. Then he worked for a repair shop, but the business was poor as customers thought that he was too young. But he built a new racing car starting a new speed record of 120 km per hour. He was seriously injured in a car race. He studied pistons seriously and went to school to study again. So that's what he created. He created 50 pistons. 得3個係合格，定係47個都係幫阿 Toyota 做嘅。想當年 Toyota was the largest Japanese car makers, but only 3 pistons were accepted. 但係佢冇放棄咯。Then he studied again. He went to school again, and finally his company had about 2,000 staff members. But World War II, there's World War I, World War II. World War II changed. It's like his factories were bombed and all shares were sold to Toyota, and he got nothing. But he didn't give up. After World War II, because the people were very poor, they wanted some inexpensive items. Because Japan was destroyed by the US, he had an idea. What about attaching an engine to a bicycle? 將個 engine 擺落個 bicycle 度。Then, number 1 is very inexpensive. Number 2, the bicycle would go faster. 咁佢咧 developed. After years, he developed a new motorcycle, which is called Type A. Type A 之後咧 he sold his cars in USA, and the price was only 1/3, no, 1/4 of the US brands. So Honda became very famous. Yeah, helmets. 有啲人想戴 helmets， 有啲唔戴 helmets。所以你 US 咧基本上過咗好多年之後咧，所以 Honda 其實開頭做 pistons 唔叻，之後就做 motorcycles 叻。咁過咗幾年之後咧 ，it became the world's largest motorcycle maker, producing 10 million motorcycles. 10 million 即係幾多啊？1000萬有幾多個 zero 啊？1, 2, 3, 4 5 6 7。跟住佢冇放棄喎，雖然佢做車失敗，但係之後繼續做車，就做咗 Civic。好似 Bumblebee 嘅，1972年做咗 Civic，之後咧又做咗雅閣 Accord。咁 Civic 之後變咗做 Type R，Type R 就好出名啦。之前我講過後面有尾翼嗰隻 Type R，咁 Type R 就係佢代表作。咁之後就成為 third largest car maker in the world。佢除咗做車之外 ，in addition to cars, vehicles, Honda produced jets, private jets, different kinds of products. So that is a showcase of all Type Rs。1、2、3、4、5、6，全部都係自動波嘅。No， 棍波。我哋嗰架車咧係自動波，佢係棍波，佢冇自動波嘅。佢好跑得 ，Type R 佬可以同 GTR 佬鬥，差唔多快。都係 Honda 做嘅，所以你見到 Honda 嘅老細以前係個窮人嚟嘅 ，but he didn't give up. So in face of problems, he tried to solve every single problem by not giving up, being positive. So what do you learn? 似奔波卡係咪？因為其實你電視咧，你公仔拍你嘢。首先佢兩個門啦，我哋嗰啲係4門啦，所以佢呢啲叫 coupe right， 2個門4個座位。另外你留意佢個 rear 啦，
佢就會有時變。
其實你 Bumblebee 嗰啲卡咧，就係按照住日常生活 in the history 本身嗰啲 famous brands 去做嘅。明唔明我講乜嘢？你留意下佢啲倒後鏡裝喺前面嘅以前，留意有啲燈，留意有啲線條，側邊嗰啲位咧，同我哋而家啲車唔同啊。留意有個 tiling，OK， 留意有啲尾燈 ，OK， 以前應該係未有冷氣添啊，1972年嗰時 energy crisis。點解 Civic 咁好賣咧？兩個問題 ，Number one， 以前有 energy crisis。
我有冷氣。
Bumblebee 有冇冷氣我唔知，冷氣機 air conditioner， 開冷氣 air conditioning， 你講一次先。